Hi, I'm Matt Stone, Executive Chef at Oak Ridge Wines in the Yarra Valley. I'm here today at the Mealer Experience Centre preparing some simple, sustainable winter recipes. So for our entree today, we're preparing a whole-baked celeriac with caviar and an egg yolk sauce. It's a really kind of hearty, wholesome winter dish. Super simple, we're just going to take a multi-purpose tray, lined with a bit of baking paper and a generous layer of rock salt. Grab the celeriacs straight onto the salt, and we'll just give them a drizzle of vegetable oil, kind of rub it around the celeriac just so we've got an even coating, and then straight into the oven. So once the celeriac are cool enough to handle, we're just going to cut the top and bottom off, cut the skin off. We're going to reserve the skin. So we've taken the skins of the celeriac, we've pulsed it down in the food processor, and then we're going to fry it on a high heat for about 5 minutes. It's important to keep stirring it through that cooking period because the natural sugars are going to caramelize and we're going to end up with a really nutty, sweet, crunchy skin at the end. So our celeriacs are roasted, they're nice and tender, they're portioned down. It's time to get the portions into the oven and move on to the egg yolk sauce. This is a really rich, decadent kind of sauce. Once the yolks have been salted for 45 minutes, we're going to add them to the bowl, add some mustard, some lemon juice, and then whisk in the clarified butter. So the celeriac's nice and hot, it's time to plate up. We're just going to lay the celeriac down on the plate. We're going to do some generous lashings of the egg yolk sauce right over the top, don't be shy. Then we're going to add the celeriac skin over the top, some flaked almonds, a generous sprinkling of chives, and then we're going to finish the dish with the caviar. Serve it immediately. It's got to be served sort of nice and warm. It's really hearty, really wholesome, and it just has this real depth of flavour, richness about it. Really yummy.